I talk a lot about Kindle, that how Kindle changed my life, why you should have Kindle, what are the benefits of Kindle, what are the tricks of Kindle, why you should use Kindle. There are so many benefits about the Kindle, but I never shared how Kindle changed my life. So in this video we are going to specifically talk about how Kindle precisely changed my life. Kindle आने के बाद क्या क्या changes हुए, how I wanted to learn more, how I wanted to read more, how my reading journey shifted from paperback to the Kindle, then Kindle to audiobook. Obviously we are not going to talk about audiobook in this video, but basically paperback से लेके Kindle तक की जर्नी क्या क्या थी, how everything changed for me. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Make sure you like this video and comment down, do you have Kindle or you are thinking to purchase a Kindle. Is a very small yet a very basic device जिसमें आप बहुत सारे books पढ़ सकते हो, PDF पढ़ सकते हो. अगर आपके पास Bluetooth है then you can connect Kindle to the audiobooks and you can directly start the storytelling on your Bluetooth device also. There are so many benefits about the Kindle. So it's basically story time. So it's back in 2018 when I started my book blogging and when I started the YouTube journey, Instagram journey. उस टाइम मेरे पास Kindle नहीं था. I used to read a lot of books on paperback. I used to read a lot of books on hardcover. But there is one problem I used to face always. First one is carrying problem. I cannot carry many books at the same time. I have to if I want to read, I am that kind of person जिसे एक साथ 3-4 books पढ़ना पसंद है rather than sticking on the only one book. So that was the big problem I faced, but I never thought about buying a Kindle. And after around 2019 I thought let's give it a try to the Kindle, because the problem with the again hardcover that you cannot carry, the weight is really good and the biggest problem is I love to read in the night. I mean before going to the sleep I love to read books. और उस टाइम क्या होता है, अगर आपको रात को बुक पढ़नी है देन यू हैव टू कीप योर लाइट्स ऑन, यू हैव टू स्ट्रेन, तुम्हारे आइज को स्ट्रेन वगैरह आता है एंड दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. इन 2019 फाइनली आई गॉट अ Kindle. सो बेसिकली Kindle आने के बाद फर्स्ट 1 or 2 month I was little bit skeptical. यार Kindle अच्छा होगा कि नहीं, इज इट गुड फॉर मी, इज इट बैड फॉर मी, क्या मैं इस पर बुक्स पढ़ पाऊँगा बिकॉज द स्क्रीन इज़ कम्प्लीटली ब्लैक एंड वाइट, क्या मैं इस पर बुक पढ़ पाऊँगा कि नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है. बट आई थॉट लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई फॉर द 30 days. सो आई रेड फॉर द 30 days ऑन द Kindle. आई स्टार्टेड विद द ओनली 5 to 10 pages एंड फर्स्ट आई यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या क्या इसमें फंक्शन है, कैसे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फॉन्ट साइज़ क्या क्या चेंज करनी चाहिए, मेरा फेवरेट फॉन्ट सा है, बहुत सारी मैंने चीज़ें चेंज करके देखी एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड ओके Kindle can be my ultimate resource. So here are the few things that why you should have Kindle. The first thing why I love Kindle is value for money. It's been around 3 years I am using that Kindle. There is no single scratch. Obviously आप कैसे यूज़ करते हो उस पर डिपेंड है. And have around more than 300 books on my Kindle. Whenever I listen to the podcast, whenever I listen to any यूट्यूब वीडियो और उसमें हमेशा बुक्स मेंशन होते हैं कि उन्होंने कौन सी बुक्स पढ़ी एंड इमीडिएटली आई गो ऑन द Kindle एंड आई ट्राई टू बाय दैट बुक. सो बेसिकली उसी टाइम में रीड करना शुरू कर देता हूँ. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि मैं सारी की सारी बुक्स फिनिश कर देता हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट आई कैन गेट द आइडिया कि वॉट दैट यूट्यूब वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट और उस स्पीकर ने क्या क्या उस बुक के बारे में बताया, इज़ इट गुड बुक और बैड बुक. सो आई कैन गेट इन टू दैट बुक. The reason I book buy immediately is because the value of money is really high. अगर आपको एक ऐसी बुक मिल जाती है जो आपकी लाइफ की ट्रैजेक्टरी बदल दे पूरे आगे की लाइफ में, then it's going to be a really important decision for you. Always think about the value for money first. I mean उसके लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट्स क्या होने वाले हैं. अगर आप आज 200 या 300 रुपीज़ की बुक पढ़ते हो बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अगर वो बुक आपकी लाइफ चेंज करने वाली है देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली बाय दैट बुक. जैसे एटॉमिक हैबिट हो गई, वी ऑल लव एटॉमिक हैबिट, इवन आई हैव मेड द वीडियो ऑन एटॉमिक हैबिट वर्सेस पावर ऑफ हैबिट. यू कैन चेक दैट वीडियो. एंड एटॉमिक हैबिट इज समथिंग आई रियली एंजॉयड रीडिंग दैट बुक. सो आई हैव दैट बुक इन माई बुक शेल्फ बिकॉज मुझे पता था कि this book is going to change my life over the period of time. This is going to उसमें से graphs 1% improvement is going to change my life. So always first think about the value for money. Second important parameter is book प्राइस. यूजुअली अगर आप Kindle पे बुक बाय करते हो यू विल गेट अ गुड डिस्काउंट. अगर आपके पास Kindle अनलिमिटेड है देन देर आर सो मेनी बुक्स फॉर फ्री. इफ़ यू हैव Kindle अनलिमिटेड प्लस प्राइम सब्सक्रिप्शन देन तो बहुत सारी बुक्स आपको पहले से फ्री में मिल जाती है. बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव, still the book price on the Kindle is very less as compared to the paperback or the hardcover. Paperback usually cost agar 500, then the Kindle price be around 300 rupees, and obviously you will not get the feeling of the hand holding book, but if your goal is to read more books, then Kindle is definitely for you. So that is something I always think about the book price. Well, book price does not matter for me. Sometimes I buy book on the Kindle, and if I love that book, then I buy paperback also, just to showcase in the YouTube video. But you should always consider first buying on the Kindle. The third thing important about the Kindle is sample copy. अगर आप Kindle आपके पास Kindle है, then you can download the sample copy of that book, और उसके बाद first 2-3 chapters आपको free में मिल जाएंगे, and you can read that chapter, and if you enjoy that reading the first 2-3 chapters, then you can buy the book. This is the one of the biggest benefit about the Kindle. I have read so many books जहाँ पे फर्स्ट 2-3 चैप्टर में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता, एंड देन हाउ टू फिर रियलाइज कि यार दिस इज नॉट द वर्थ बुक टू बाय. सो यू कैन डू दैट. दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. यू कैन नॉट डू विद द पेपर बैक. यू कैन नॉट से कि यार पेपर बैक मुझे मिल गई एंड आई विल रीड फर्स्ट 2-3 चैप्टर्स, अगर पसंद आई देन आई विल बाय द बुक. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट, बट यू कैन डू दैट ऑन द Kindle. Fourth benefit is built in dictionary. This is something I really enjoy, because when you try to read the translated books like from the Japanese or the Korean or any other culture, then there are so many times we face the problem about the understanding word, or so many times understanding the phrases. So this is something you can definitely go for the Kindle. वहाँ पे आपको built-in dictionary मिल जाती है, word wise enable मिल जाता है. So you can directly tap on that word and that will give you the meaning about it. What is that meaning? So you don't have to just go on the Google and type that word. और उसमें अगर कोई notification आ गई, then you are again distracted from that word. So this is something you should always consider. In the Kindle you will get that dictionary mode, and in the dictionary you can read, understand the different word, and उसके वजह से आपकी vocabulary भी different obviously ये बढ़ जाएगी. Next thing I love about Kindle is size and the font of the text. If you go for the paperback, the biggest problem is you cannot change the size of the font. You cannot you can make the size big or small. You cannot do that. और you cannot change the font, like कोई भी उसमें से ओपन सांस होगा, रोबोट होगा, टाइम्स रोमन होगा, कोई भी होगा, आप पेपरबैक में आप वो चेंज नहीं कर सकते. But when it comes to Kindle, you can change entirely, like completely different. You can change the size from the very small to the very big. You can change the font from the different fonts. You can customize your font if you have already the different fonts. You can customize the layout also. You can do a lot of things. That's something that will give advantage on the Kindle rather than the paperback. So make sure you use that as a benefit, and why you should consider buying a Kindle, just because you can change the size of the font and the color in whatever the format you love. So reading experience become really easy. Next, and my favorite part is dark mode. Obviously dark mode is something I really enjoy. Obviously I don't have dark mode on my phone, but most of the, like on the Twitter or on the Instagram, we all have the dark mode, and we always wanted dark mode. And the Kindle, that gives you a benefit also. If you enjoy reading books in the dark mode, then obviously dark mode is definitely something you should go for, even when you are going to the sleep. And if you have a habit like me कि यार सोने से पहले आपको बुक्स पढ़नी है, then dark mode is something you are definitely going to love. And the last point is all about easy reading or the easy carrying. Easy reading, obviously you can read anytime you want, you can read anywhere you want. The size is very small and it's easy to carry, easy to learn. Everything is so easy when it comes to Kindle. So make sure you should have Kindle. It becomes your reading experience so much easy. आप एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ सकते हो, बहुत सारे बुक्स कैरी कर सकते हो. कहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग को जा रहे हो, you can have the Kindle and you can read 100+ books. Even if you are going to the airport or airplane, then you can carry the Kindle, because even though it's an electronic device, Kindle have you can carry anywhere. These are the few things. Because of that, Kindle changed my life completely. And if you want to change your life, then make sure you buy a Kindle. I will put the link in the description. Even the Amazon sale is coming, so make sure you buy a Kindle. That will help you in your life. Think about the long term, not about the short term. If you want to know about more reasons why you should buy Kindle, then check out this video where I shared every reason why you should buy Kindle. And if you are looking for how to get free books on the Kindle, then check out this video where I shared how to get free books on the Kindle. And that's all for today. See you in the next one.